Say it.
Hello. Don't squawk at me.
She's hot.
You see what I found? You see what I found for you? Come on.
Probably want a cracker?
Did
you just say that?
Yep. Say again. Say again.
What is that? Oh, really?
We're gonna tell him to say it again.
Polly, want a cracker?
He's already got the cracker.
Polly, want a cracker? It just said it. It was so cool.
Look at me at that.
Say it.
Say it again.
Say it again.